The first plane that movement occurs in is the sagittal plane. It is the plane that cuts the body into a left and right part. The axis, that is the point by which your movement occurs, is going to be perpendicular to that plane. And by perpendicular, I just mean that axis pierces right through that plane at a right angle. So for sagittal plane movements, the axis is going to be a medial lateral. Examples of movements in the sagittal plane: for the upper extremity, a dumbbell front raise. The next cardinal plane is the frontal plane. Cuts you into a front half and a back half. Again, your axis is going to be perpendicular to that plane. So for an axis to pierce that frontal plane at a right angle, it has to come from anterior to posterior. Movements that occur in this frontal plane: abduction. From now on, I'm going to say abduction, and adduction or adduction. Every part of the jumping jack occurs in this frontal plane. So the transverse plane divides the body into an upper and a lower part. That means the axis for this has to be vertical or longitudinal. Movements that occur in the transverse plane, these are our rotational movements. Internal, external rotation of the shoulder is an example of a transverse plane movement. Rotation of the trunk is also transverse plane movement.